Okay, so that's a zucchini plant. Back there I'm going to plant a row of beans and corn, probably in this spot right here.
Are you talking to me?
I'm not. I don't know how well this is corn. These are beans, pole beans that I've used in the past that I harvested. I don't know how well they're gonna sprout, so I'm gonna put multiple ones in each hole and just pinch off all the extras and leave one and one once they start. So.
Hey, that looks so very good.
What is it, Maya?
Can I help Mr. Stick? Can I help Mr. Stick?
No, you can't. You can only make it worse. You can't make it any better.
Well,
I was gonna let him go to seed and then save the seeds, but decided I don't need to. I mean, the seed that I have is really fresh, so I still have plenty of it. I'll just do it at another time. Plus, I have plenty more growing elsewhere. This, it's like digging holes, getting under. It was right under this thing. Just digging up the compost. Looking for worms. It's the end of April, and this is what the tomatoes look like right now, the tomato plants. I'm really happy with how their growth has really jump started. Even though we got started kind of late, we got a setback due to the hail and the skunk. These plants have really taken off, and now they're flowering. I don't have any fruits on them yet, but you can see there's flowers on most of the plants. I've interplanted some basil, and I always like to do this with tomatoes because it grows really well, and it's a good companion plant for tomatoes. Can't remember exactly. I think it also repels some pests, and of course marigolds on the edges here. These are definitely good companion plants. They attract ladybugs, which will eat aphids and whitefly, etc.
Yeah, this is good.